Are you looking for the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver? Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless HDMI transmitters and receivers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, HS Jinhong Wireless HDMI. Let's kick things off with the HS Jinhong Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Priced at $65.99, the standout feature here is its impressive 360-foot range. If you want a solid transmission distance, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product is a good choice for you. It supports 4K decoding with a smooth 1080p at 60 Hz output, which means your high-resolution presentations and videos will look sharp, even from a distance. The unique cooling design prevents overheating, which is a huge plus for maintaining a stable connection. Plus, with ultra-low latency, you can enjoy live sports or gaming without any annoying lag, perfect when every millisecond counts. With over 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's clearly a popular pick. Now, I have to mention that some users reported a bit of a challenge with the initial setup. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it performs reliably, which is great if you're looking for something that can just work without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a presenter or gamer needing a reliable connection across a large space. But skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or don't need that extra range.
Product number 2, Future Eagle S8 Wireless HDMI. Next up, we have the Future Eagle S8 Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. At just $49.99, this one caught my eye for its impressive 328-foot range. If you want a balance between price and performance, this is definitely worth considering. This model also supports 4K decoding and outputs 1080p at 60 Hz, ensuring you get clear visuals for presentations or movies. With plug-and-play functionality, it connects within seconds and doesn't require any additional apps or Wi-Fi. Plus, the LED display shows you connection status and signal strength, making setup a breeze. It's been flying off the shelves, with 1,000 units sold recently, which speaks to its reliability. However, some users pointed out that the signal could drop in areas with lots of interference. I get that. If you're in a crowded space, that might be a deal breaker. But for most home setups, it's not a major issue, especially with its strong anti-interference capabilities. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values ease of use and portability in a wireless setup. But if you're in a very signal-heavy environment, you might want to look elsewhere. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next
Product number 3, Kissable Wireless HDMI. Moving on, we have the Kissable Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Priced at $64.99, this one also boasts a 328-foot range. If you're aiming for high performance without breaking the bank, keep listening. This device offers ultra-low latency, with a response time of just 0.01 seconds. That's crucial for activities like gaming or live broadcasting where timing is everything. It supports 4K decoding, outputting 1080p at a smooth 60 Hz, which means your visuals are crisp and fluid. Plus, it's compact and portable, making it a great travel companion. With over 1,000 units sold this month, it's clearly making waves in the market. Now, I did notice some complaints about the need for consistent power supply to both the transmitter and receiver. That said, as long as you keep them plugged in, you'll be good to go. It's not a deal breaker if you're mindful of power requirements. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that offers high performance and portability. But if you don't want to think about power management, this
Product number 4, ANJCTD Wireless HDMI. Next, we have another option from ANJCTD, which also comes in at $54.99. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers an impressive range of 328 feet. If you want something that won't skimp on performance, you'll want to hear about this. Just like the others, it supports 4K decoding and outputs 1080p at 60 Hz. This means you can enjoy smooth video without any hiccups, which is critical for gaming or presentations. It's designed to be plug-and-play, so you can set it up without any hassle. What's really nice is that it supports both mirroring and extending modes, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. This model has also seen over 500 sales recently, which indicates growing interest.
However, there were some reviews mentioning that the signal can weaken through walls. Honestly, that's something to consider if you're using this in a larger home, but for a standard room, you should have no issues. This is perfect for you if you need versatility in how you use your setup, but if you're in a multi-story house, you might want to think about
Product number 5, Tyquinix Wireless HDMI. Finally, we have the Tyquinix Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. At $38.99, it's the most budget-friendly option on our list. If price is your primary concern, this could be exactly what you need. This transmitter offers a range of 165 feet outdoors and 100 feet indoors, which is decent for most casual setups. It supports 4K decoding and 1080p at 60 Hz, providing a clear and stable image. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it a fantastic choice for travel or outdoor presentations. It's been a hit with over 500 units sold in the last month, proving that affordability doesn't mean sacrificing quality. However, some users noted that the range could be limiting for larger spaces. I get it. If you're working in a big area, this might not meet your needs, but for smaller rooms or on-the-go use, it's a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget.
To wrap things up, we've looked at the HSJ IN Hong for its range, Future Eagle for its affordability, the Kiso Able for its ultra-low latency, and J's CTDD for its versatility, and the Tyquinix for its budget-friendly price. Each one has its strengths, so think about what features are most important to you.